Hello everyone! For today's video, we are going to make a siomai soup, and I'm gonna have crema de fruta coming up. Eat green for one day challenge. It's a way different. It's not like the same. They're just eating a green. Beside that, there's something else. And I'm going to make a tamales. Spicy noodles challenge. Lemon challenge. We have a lot of videos coming up, so you guys stand by and watch. A good year for everybody. And take note that we're gonna have a launching on February 15 on my YouTube. We're gonna be live stream a game that anyone can win, you know, and the criteria is you should watch my video, all my videos. I think it's 37 videos already. watch it. Take how many minutes you watch. Like and share those videos and subscribe, and you're gonna be qualified for the game. And I'm giving away some earphone, and I have some accessories and something else that you can use for every day, especially the ladies, you know, those who wants to tuck in their belly, you know, they can have that. Yeah, I have that before. I'm selling those stuff, and I have some more. I'm gonna give it away. So whoever qualified, I think I have 50 sets of that prizes I'm going to give away. Everybody is welcome to this contest, and you guys enjoy your day watching it, and see you. You know, be bold, be blessed, and be happy. Lord Jesus bless you all. Bye now.